Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Lanisha. If you're new, welcome to Living Life with Me. So I am getting ready to cook some chicken and rice. Everybody does their chicken and rice different. Everybody does everything different. So this is the way that I do it. One of the ways I do it. Sometimes I change it up. But anyhow, I do not have any gallon size bags. So I'm going to use my bowl to season my chicken and fry my chicken up and everything like that. I'm using vegetable oil, which is over here in my skillet right now. I have my flour I need to put in my bowl. I have some poultry seasoning. I have black pepper and onion powder. I have garlic salt and garlic powder. And then what else you're gonna need would be the onion soup mix, cream of chicken with herbs. If I can get this piece of plastic over here, cream of chicken. And last but not least, cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. So I have my flour in my bowl. I am going to put in just a little bit of poultry seasoning. Some black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And garlic salt. And I'm going to go back in with a couple more black pepper, some onion powder, and a little bit of garlic salt. I have my chicken washed and ready to go. Usually I use chicken thighs, but today I'm using chicken legs. They were cheaper. They were $5.59. So yeah, and mix this up again. My oil is over here heating up in this skillet over here. And I did put a little bit of one of the packs of onion soup mix in here as well. I did that off camera. I forgot to do that when I was doing seasoning up and everything the first time. And I did season my chicken before I put it into the flour. I tested my flour. I tested my grease, and it still is not hot enough. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more. Okay, so my grease is hot enough now. I washed the rest of my chicken. Now I'm gonna flour some more of it up and put it over into the skillet. This is why I like to have a bag. I don't think it's over there. And sometimes I cook it until it's done. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just let it continue cooking in the gravy. Excuse me. It's okay for it to finish cooking in the gravy because usually it's like 90% done. So I want to cook these and take them off and put the other ones in. I go through a lot of paper towels when I'm cooking. I think I've probably already been through half the roll, but yeah, because I had to dry the chicken off and continuously washing my hands, dry my hands, and all of that good stuff. I just turned this chicken over, um, let it cook on the other side. Then I'll probably flip it back again. It's not gonna do anything, uh, just to get it the majority done. So I had to, well, I didn't have to, but I don't want this one to be crowded up when I get ready to do my gravy. So I'm going to use both of these. So if I need to stir it, or when I go to stir it, I'm not like having a hard time stirring it around and stuff. And again, overcrowding the pan. Doop, 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 doop. So I have 4 legs over here. I'm able to move them around and everything so I can stir the gravy up this oven. That's good. Then over here, this chicken is almost about to come out. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I got 3 pieces over here that's draining. And I'm going to do some gravy in this one. Take out some of that grease. And then this one I will show you all how I do it. That one I wasn't really focusing on trying to show because this is the main one. So I will show you all in a minute. So I have put in some flour and a little bit of water and milk. I need to put some more liquid in here though. So I just added my cream of condensed cream soups. So I'm just gonna stir this around and add in some more milk and water and let it cook for a little bit. And then I'm gonna add the chicken back over in here. So I went ahead and just added all this daggone chicken back over into this skillet right here. And I'm gonna just let all of that combine and all that good stuff and do my rice.